While increased student achievement is often the ultimate intent of most professional learning, if it is not planned in a way that explicitly determines how student achievement will be impacted and the evidence that can be collected to show it, it will be difficult to show a correlation between your efforts and student achievement. Unfortunately, as a profession, educators have done very little to demonstrate the impact of professional learning on education. We know very little about the factors of professional learning that lead to increased student achievement. In a comprehensive review of decades of experimental and quasi-experimental studies funded by the U.S. Department of Education, only 9 studies of professional development found a positive correlation to student achievement, and the only factor that seemed to contribute to this impact is extended time, 13 or more hours to be exact. The studies of professional development that positively impacted student achievement outcomes exposed teachers to 13 or more contact hours. Coaches are a critical factor in providing repeated contact hours to educators. Teachers may attend a one-day workshop, but the ongoing coaching that supports it after is more likely to achieve desired outcomes, like changes in teacher practice and impact on student achievement. Noted educational researcher Thomas Guskey describes 5 different levels of evaluation that educators should consider for professional learning. All too often, we stop at the first level, effective data, because we can collect it within a workshop or other event. If you add a pre- and post-test with an online form or quiz, you can easily reach the next level. The remaining levels of evaluation require more diligence, usually someone familiar with the desired outcomes to observe teachers or review teacher and student artifacts. These levels are more time-consuming, but if your school improvement goals include increased student achievement and workshops and coaching are the strategies to reach those goals, you need to build in those more rigorous evaluation methods, and you need to do so all the way back to your school innovation and improvement plans, so they are allotted appropriate resources. With this, you've come full circle in the professional learning cycle. All professional learning opportunities, including coaching conversations, should involve data collection and evaluation to determine how well your school is doing on their school improvement goals and how those goals might change in the future. Review the resources in the Module 4 companion document and consider the data that is currently collected and whether any changes are necessary to provide appropriate evidence of effectiveness for your professional learning at your site.